Homework set number 2 in ECE 403 Design 2 is available on Bison Academy over here. In homework set number 2, you are to create a OneNote document, one document for every member in the group. In that OneNote document, create a couple different pages. First section is your contact list, your project charter, homework set number 2, and then sections for each student in your group. Under the project charter, set up a couple pages: the project description, project charter, bi-weekly meeting dates, relevant standards, and work breakdown structure. Now, under the contact list, list the phone and email for the students in your group and your sponsor. That makes it easier to contact each other if you need to. Project description: at this point, you should know which project you're working on. Give a brief description of that project. Under project charter, this would be: what are the deliverables, what are the key elements, the time allocated, that's just 2 semesters, and the budget, usually about $300. Now, throughout the semester, you're going to have bi-weekly meeting dates with your group and your sponsor. Want to know what those meeting dates are. Sometimes I forget, so it's not a reminder for me. Also just makes me sure that you are meeting with your sponsor. Under relevant standards, if you go to the lecture notes, here's a bunch of different sites that have standards. I'd like you to go through the different standards, search, find something relevant to your project, if there are any. If you find anything relevant, note which standards you searched and what standards are relevant to your project. And finally, here's the important part. On your project, brainstorm with your group. Try to split up your project as major activities, what are the technical challenges you need to solve, and most important, come up with a list of tasks that you need to complete. That list is really important. That list is going to basically drive the rest of Senior Design 2. That list you're going to split up in the next homework assignment as to who does which task. Within those tasks, you should be able to demonstrate knowledge of ECE. So that list of tasks is really, really important. Spend time on it. Work with your sponsor, work with the instructors in the class. Try to come up with a fairly comprehensive list of things to do. In the past, we've had students say, I just don't know what to do, so their design notebook's empty. That hurts your grade. You need to have a list of things to do. It helps to know what you're going to be doing in this class. That's this homework assignment. So can't emphasize enough. Focus on that list of tasks. What tasks do you need to get done to complete your senior design project? Update your senior design notebook with that. So this is just one section for each group. From this point onward, you're going to have separate sections for student A, B, and C. But for now, you should just have one section for everyone for contact list and project charter. That's homework set number 2 for ECE 403 Design 2.